severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Kennesaw State University, Oregon, 8 miles north of Marietta, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yes, we are.
Source, radar indicated.
You're still dead.
Impact,
I'm gonna
hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Whitewater Park, Sweat Mountain, Due West, Kellogg Creek, Sandy Plains, Oak Grove, Kennesaw State University, and Hobbit Park. Hail and frequent flow to ground lightning to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report.